So this customer, all the way from the US, just saved 2,500 on her order. And this customer from UK just saved 1,580 on her order. And this customer from the US again just saved 1,040 on her order. Well, I can just keep going on and on and on because our end of season sale is going absolutely crazy. We are hitting numbers we have never hit before, and the best part, we are getting a whole lot of international orders. So today I just picked 3 random international orders. A lot of international orders are getting packed there. So these were packed and ready to ship. So I just quickly went and picked them, and I'm going to show you some of them, some of my favorites and some of the best sellers from our end of season sale. Starting off with this lovely order from Sri Lakshmi, all the way from US. This is actually her 3rd order. Red Bagru airline dress, which is in fact the one I'm wearing right now. This one is really soft and it comes in this very deep madder red shade. And the best part is that it is pure cotton. It's fully hand block printed. Candy cane cross-cut dress. This comes in this very quirky, fun red and white print. It's super fun, it's super chic, and the silhouette, it comes in our bestseller crosscut silhouette, and I absolutely love it. Next up, we have got this lavender sanganeri dress. We have named this dress Lay Wonder because this is in fact a wonder, because the print, if you look closely, it comes in this very complex print, but the best part again is that it's fully hand block printed. So it's again super comfortable, super soft, and these are all available at up to 30% off. Next up, we have got these 3 dresses from Kriba Women's Order. This is also going all the way to UK. Ajrak Blooms Turmeric box pleated dress. This is another bestseller from our collection. The best part is that if you smell this, you will get the smell of turmeric because this yellow shade, it is achieved through dyeing using turmeric. Indigo Paisley Ajrak dress comes in this very classic paisley print. It is a front pleated pattern and I absolutely love this. Maranda Sanganeri airline dress. This is also selling out really fast. I think it is because this white and pista green combination, it is very rare to find these days, and this comes in a classic airline silhouette with our signature collar v-neck, which again makes this a bestseller. So if you have been eyeing this, go get them now. Next up, I have picked 2 pieces from Divya's order, which is again going all the way to the US. Asagi short cord set, which is my favorite, my personal favorite from our latest Chitara collection. It's a super chic, which makes this an absolute bestseller from our collection. Next up, we have got this yellow flax cotton dress, which comes in this beautiful mirror work in the neck portion. Again, this is something that will make you stand out because this is not a dress that you'll get to see much often. These are available at an off. So if you have been eyeing this, go get them now. We are super grateful to all of you for all your lovely orders, especially our dearest international customers who have been following us. I believe you guys have finally placed your orders because we have got a whole lot of international orders going across the world. This is indeed a really happy week for all of us here at LD. So to all other international customers who have been following us, who have been eyeing any of our products, this is your best time to place your orders. The sale will be only live till the 6th of July. So go get them now.